The 22nd Executive Council of the University of the Gambia Students' Union has today called for a general campus cleaning exercise in the UTG Faraba Banta Campus. This initiative was born as a result of the un-eco-friendly environment in the campus, which is littered with lots of plastic bottles, papers, and nylon bags. This is not just an exercise. This is a moment that will be aged in the annals of students' history.
I am an agriculture student and we are working against this climate change, and we know that a clean environment is a healthy environment.
I believe in a clean environment. So a clean environment is always good for education.
I am very happy. I'm so glad to be here because without clean environment, learning cannot take place.
This is nothing but a show of commitment with different students from different schools and faculties coming here to restore sanity in this campus.
I feel very happy joining this endeavor to clean this place. I am very happy about that.
As a student, I think it is prudent to take part in this kind of exercise.
When they call for activities, please, whatever we are doing as a students, let's pack it aside and come together and work.
This sanitary restoration in the campus is not just limited to the students of the university. We also have volunteers from outside the university who are present here. The two volunteer organizations that we have here are Youth Action Network The Gambia and Youth Movement for Civic Education.
My name is Yunus Asambu, the chairperson Youth Movement for Civic Education. Like I always tell my people, whatever you do that belongs to the state, you're not helping anybody. You do it for yourself, do it for everybody.
I believe as a citizens, we should be always part of solution rather than being part of pollution.
As a civic student and also as a patriotic citizen, we also need to show our patriotism. How do we show our patriotism? Not only by saying that we are patriotic citizens, by showing it out. Let us do the action.
I am Mohamed Ali, the president of Youth Action Network The Gambia. Our organization, we are humanitarian and non-profit making organization, and part of our action plan is our environment.
We are here to show support to the University of the Gambia because we are invited by them.
Usually I feel so bored when I see the environment untidy. So I'm extremely overjoyed today to see the environment so clean, and I hope the UTG student will also maintain this cleanliness.
We are very proud considering the work that we have done today in collaboration with other organizations.
Bro, whoever comes here today, you'll have a very peaceful mind, a very happy mind. The campus is super clean, You can see, look at the distance, you don't see any plastic, you don't see any paper. This just happened within 1 hour of action, 1 hour of commitment, 1 hour of students showing that the university is not only a place to come and learn, but it's a university, a place whereby we show the general public that we also contribute our core in national development.
A sincere gratitude to everybody that is here, most especially the volunteers that are outside the university.
We can do it together, and therefore I recognize your presence, and I want to thank you all extensively for gracing these occasions with us.